Hi, today we're going to see how to create the split color text effect in Photopea. So the first thing I need to do is to create a new image, go to File, and then New. And now I'm going to select the FB event image, 1920 by 1080. So here it is. And now I'm going to add a guide here, a horizontal guide. So go to the search here, to the magnifying glass, so type, click on it, and then just type guides. So here you will find all the terms here. So I'm going to click on add guides. And now I want to make it in percent here. And now I'm going to type 50 to create a 50% here. So it will create a guide here. Press OK. So here's our guide. And now I want to create a selection here. So select the rectangle select. And now I'm going to make my selection. So as you can see, it snaps to the guide. So here it is. Press enter to confirm. Now I'm going to change the color here. So I'm going to select here the paint bucket tool. Now I'm going to click on the foreground color. So I'm going to select the color. So I'm going to select this color here, for example, this one here. So here's the HTML notation, 3AB, 1FC, press OK. And now I'm just going to click on the selection here. So here it is. And now I'm going to remove the selection, go to select and then deselect. And now I'm going to remove the guide. So click on the magnifying glass here and now just click on clear guides. So here it is. And now I'm going to select the type tool, left click here and then select the type tool. And now for the font, I'm going to select opens. I'm going for the style, I'm going to go with bold. For the size, I will try 400 pixels. And now I'm just going to left click here. And now I'm going to type my text. So here it is. So I might increase it to 500. So here it is. Select the move tool. And now I'm just going to place it in the center. So here. So I'm going to increase it a little bit. So I'm going to place it here. So here it is. So now I'm going to duplicate this background layer. Right click on it. Duplicate layer. And now I'm going to place this layer here over the text layer. And now I just need to flip this layer here vertically to make the white color on the top and the blue on the bottom. So just go to edit, transform, and then here flip vertically. So here it is. And now right click on the top layer here and then click on clip and mask. So here it is. As you can see, it clipped our layer to the shape here of the layer under it, or the text layer. And now right click and then just click either on merge down to merge down every layer or flatten image. So here it is. And now if you want to change the color, for example, if you don't like the blue color, click down here and then select the hue and saturation. And then here, just change here. This one will change the colors. So here it is. And this one, saturation, will change the intensity. As you can see, it's gray. And for the lightness, it will change the brightness of the layer. So here it is. For example, for myself, I'm going to select, for example, this orange color. So I'm going to leave it with this one here. So here it is. Now right click, flatten image again. So here it is. That's how you can create the split color text effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.